Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm back again and then welcome back to my channel. And in this video, it's part 2 from the Royce. We're gonna remove the side mirror. I will teach you how to do that. Before I start, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification to not miss my video. Let's get into it. First, if you want to just remove this cover, okay, hold your hand, it has in the one line around it. Just do like this. It's super easy gonna come. Royce, cullinan or ghost, all gonna be same way because they having the same shape of the side mirror. Like this. Those are going inside and then you just slide it forward to your chest, to yourself, it's gonna come off. It's super easy. Okay, as you can see, for the side mirror base, we're having the one hole here, and then if you turn, you will see 2 more holes behind it. I will show you later. So first, we need to remove this one, and then I did wrap it with the satin black, so when the mirror closes, no one can see the white. Let me remove this one. Okay. And then it's the Allen shape, size 4. Exactly the one you use it for the BMW M4 door handle. My tool is too short for me and then hard to work with, so okay. Maybe open it. Okay, it's already released. And flip the mirror to this way. Another 2 hole here, same one. Usually, let me open that one a bit. Okay, other one. Wow. Okay. So mirror gonna come out like this, and then it has the 2 connector, one for camera, one for other things. This one and last one, like this. 3 bolts. It's super easy to remove. Okay, my friend, we are at the end of the video. Please watch all the video until the end to not miss any important part. I'm gonna come back very soon, and then please comment below, follow our social media. I'm gonna put it at the bottom, and also you can find it on the description. That's all. I'm gonna see you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.